front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan here. So it's super quick and easy operation, because all you need to do is to tap on Recent Items button, and here at the top panel you will notice security scan. Smoothly tap to perform it, click on OK, and now as you can see it would be done. So everything looks good, everything is safe, so we can go back, and this is how you can perform a security scan. But you can also open it via your security app, so smoothly open it, here is the icon, and tap on security scan, and now you're just in the same panel that we've been redirected from your recent apps. So that's it, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.